How to set up automated communication within job pipelines. Navigate to Settings and select Custom Job Pipelines. This feature allows for the creation of an unlimited number of job pipelines. Proceed by selecting Add Job Pipeline. Please enter the job pipeline name. After entering the name, proceed to click on Add Pipeline Stage. You have the flexibility to include as many stages as desired. For demonstration, we will input pre-screening. After inputting the stage name, proceed to enter the automation name. We will specify when this automation should be activated, when an individual transitions to the stage. What action is linked to this trigger? The action is to send an email. The email can be sent either from the job author or the job owner. Choose the appropriate option. It might include a thank you for applying message, along with any customized message you'd like to incorporate in the email body. Specify the text here, and it will be seamlessly incorporated. You can further enhance this pipeline by adding additional stages and incorporating more customizations to automatically send emails to your candidates. Thank you.